Welcome to my chefing. My name is Chef Fran. This is my sous chef Ian.
How are we doing today?
And today, we
Yes.
are on this $1.25
Quarter at the
journey
at the dollar store.
at the formerly Dollar Tree
The
store.
formerly known the dollar store.
Hello, my name is Chef Fran Glover. I'm the founder and president of Joseph's Dream House. I want you to know the buying power I have when I work with the local grocers. For example, if you donate $10 to me, I'm able to feed 2.5 people 8 meals. If you donate $25, I'm able to feed 6 people 20 meals. And of course, as the donation increases, I'm able to feed more and more people. If you're trying to buy it and shipping it to me, I won't be able to feed the same amount of people. So I want you to know, for example, here's some of the things that the families will receive. Produce, where they can get all their nutrients. Different breakfast options based on their dietary needs. There's snacks here, especially for the babies, and lunch, and different various dinners, and even gluten-free pasta for those that have celiac disease. Together, I want you to know that we have fed 194,338 people, of which 83,105 are children. Please know that hunger has no age, no race, no gender, no ethnic background, nor zip code. I've also started a YouTube channel called Ma Chefin'. I started it so I could help raise funds to be able to continue to support the charity, as we are self-funded. We do not receive any grants. With that said, I've also written my first cookbook, which is a sole fundraiser for Joseph's Dream House, called A Twist on Boring Salad, A Salad a Day, which is available on Amazon.com. All the proceeds go to that. The link for that will be below. So again, Ma Chefin', the channel with that is a little different than everyone else's. It provides nutritional information of everything that you're putting in your body that I'm cooking that day, and also provides people statistical facts of food insecurity. Again, I want to thank everyone for supporting throughout the years, and I thank you for your support, and those who may be considering supporting. You're supporting a great cause, as this is Hunger Awareness Month. Thank you. And the reason that we're doing this Dollar Tree series, $1.25 series, it's because of this month happens to be Hunger Action Month, ham. And a lot of people take for granted that food insecurity is real, and it could be a family member, your next door neighbor, a colleague at work, just going through some difficult moments because of all the high inflation and food prices at an all-time high. Things happen, sometimes unexpected issues with your vehicle or your home, higher taxes, unexpected garbage disposal bill, just various things. And it puts people in a bind, even those who are working with their spouses who work as well. Sometimes even 2 or 3 jobs trying to make ends meet. And until I started this journey, didn't even realize how much $1.25 store, Dollar Tree, really had in store for people, and things that are nutritionally sound, that you can eat, have leftovers, but most of all, not feel sluggish and feel well after you've eaten, and be able to feed your family on an affordable budget. So we have here today gnocchi, potato gnocchi. We have the chicken broth that we use to cook it in, Italian blend cheese, some mushroom, because this is our vegetarian dish today. Mushrooms, sun-dried tomatoes that we already had though, so we're not going to include that. We already had the Parmesan, we already had our olive oil,
we have the carnation,
and we already had our carnation milk. So these things we already had at home to do this dish, but if we could have found it at Dollar Tree, it would have been just a few dollars more. It would have been maybe anywhere between $5 to maybe $7
Yeah,
more.
$8. If we had to get this,
Well, if we had to get this,
yeah, this and maybe one other item.
yeah,
like
we
the
had to get
cheese.
4 more items.
Yeah, so
We would have had to get
so
that.
that would it would have been $9, $9.75.
So we only spent how much, Ian, on
Spent
this?
$5.
$5. So for $5, you can feed you can feed at least a family of 4.
Right.
And I know that sounds, obviously you have to have some of the other ingredients already. But like I said, if you didn't, and they have them at Dollar Tree, because they're becoming so affordable and a lot of families are going now to get a lot of their supplies to them, things run out really quickly.
Unbelievable.
And it's not like they don't have evacuated milk, they actually do. Sun-dried tomatoes they don't necessarily have, but they do have Parmesan cheese. Not this version, but another version. With that said, like Ian said, you could have fed a family of 4 on $8, which you can't even go to the fast food drive-through for that. Even though they have these deals and they say it's fine. When you add the tax, this is with tax. Ian saying this to you.
Yeah.
It's a lot more than $5, and that meal is what for just that moment. This is something that you have leftovers for if it's a family of 2. If it's a family of 4, well,
you fed everybody and then everybody's full and goes to sleep.
Exactly.
Nice. That's how I look at it.
So don't underestimate it and don't prejudge people, because we just never know what people are going through and why they're in a circumstance. Because today you could be high and something can happen, and tomorrow it could change the whole, outlook for you.
It's crazy.
Because things happen unexpectedly. People sometimes lose everything in the stock market who are doing extremely well. And I don't wish that for anyone, but I'm just saying, so I myself, I get to know someone before I judge them. I don't look at the book and its cover and make a judgment call, because
it's not right.
I don't know.
It's not right.
I don't know if that person had hit the lottery and got that nice vehicle or got that home, and they again lost everything through investments because of the economy, and then now they're about to possibly lose their home. So these are not things that I wish for anyone, but these are things that are realistically happening right now in this modern day age. So
it is.
This is a way that they can afford to do things, because the truth is that yes, they can go to places like food pantries like ours and other things, but the truth is that these food pantries, like us, need help ourselves. As you feed the masses, you become depleted, and you don't get help, donations, and different things, and that you have to kick out your pocket. So if a family can possibly put together a few dollars, they could be able to eat healthy, and that's important for us here at Ma Chefin'.
100%.
So I'm going to get into the vitamin content of what's here, and we'll move forward. Our gnocchi has vitamins A, C, D, small amounts of vitamin D, calcium, and iron. We cooked it in chicken broth, which is vitamins A, B12, C, D, E, K, and magnesium, and some olive oil was in that broth, vitamins E and K, and some butter. Vitamins A, B12, D, E, and K2. We also had some mushrooms, vitamins B1, B2, and niacin, sun-dried tomatoes, vitamins C, K, manganese, niacin, and potassium, onions, B6, C, folate, magnesium, potassium, garlic, B6, C, manganese, and psyllium, some pasta sauce, vitamins A, B, C, E, K, and potassium, some evaporated milk, A, D, and calcium, and mozzarella, C, folate, potassium, and Parmesan cheese, A, B6, B12. Real facts. Did you know that 23.5 million Americans live in a food desert? A food desert is an area where access to affordable and good quality food is difficult. You can learn more by visiting us at jdhcdc.org. So we cooked our potato gnocchi in chicken broth, and it says usually it's done when it floats up to the top, but I actually cooked it in a skillet. So it's probably not really going to float to the top. So I will say I'm just kind of stirring it around. The gnocchi cooks in 1 to 2 minutes. Depending on the package, with the package we use, it's a 1 to 2 minutes, or until it floats to the top. So we have some onions and some garlic, and I just put some seasoning on here and some olive oil. Just trying to get our onions to be a little translucent. And then I'm going to add my sun-dried tomatoes to this and mushrooms. And then the sun-dried tomatoes is going to have some of that red oil from it. So it's going to be pretty when we add the evaporated milk to it. It'll have like a vodka cream type of looking gnocchi. So we have our mushrooms, our onions, our garlic. I added our sun-dried tomatoes and a little bit of pasta sauce. And now I'm gonna put our evaporated milk, which will serve as our cream. And then I will put our gnocchi that we already cooked back in. So we have this beautiful looking orangey sauce here. And you can call this our vegetarian meal today. There's no meat in it whatsoever. So here's our cooked gnocchi that we have in here. Just putting it in our sauce, coating it. Just make sure all your gnocchi is fully coated. And to serve, you want to put a little bit of shredded mozzarella and grated Parmesan, and that's it. Look at here, look at here. What you got here?
Ooh, we got a lot. We got the gnocchi.
You got the gnocchi. You got the meatless meat.
The meatless meat. That's right.
Yes, you got your gnocchi. So you know, mushrooms has that umami sensation, which kind of gives you the feel like you're eating meat, but you're not. It's you're eating your veggies here. You got your sun-dried tomatoes there.
Some cheese.
Yeah, so
we're all set up.
And listen, if you're vegan, hey, get your vegan cheese here. You don't have to have this cheese. Please don't be mad at me, okay? And get your vegan milk too. Yeah. Get your vegan milk on, please.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
I've never been a big fan of gnocchi, but
no,
not really.
My husband likes gnocchi.
Yeah. Big man like him? He's a gnocchi fan?
He is. I can't say it's my favorite either. But, I mean, I could eat it. It's better than I expected for $1.25.
You know, it almost, the texture is like a scallop. No, that must be the mushrooms.
The mushrooms.
Yeah.
But
it tastes very well.
I like the way I made it taste good.
It tastes
with the mushroom and sun-dried tomato.
Yeah. Tastes delicious. I like the texture. It really is.
Pretty good, I think, for a vegetarian meal.
But then again, for $8 for a meal, come on. Can't beat it. Can't beat it.
I mean, the truth is that it cost us $5 at the store.
Yeah.
But figuring if you can get hold of the other stuff that we had, still underneath $10. You got family of 4. If you have small kids, 6 can eat this and be completely satisfied, be completely nutritionally sound and well. So, here's my call to action.
Here we go.
Don't forget to click the like button by giving us a virtual hug. When you do that, that lets Ian and myself, my whole team, know that you're enjoying the content that we're putting out for you, and it encourages us to keep going.
Yes, it does.
It allows us to go back to the thinking lab and say, what could we come up with? What might they enjoy? And so this is what we're bringing for you today. And if you haven't subscribed already, please do so. And if you're new to this channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. Well, we welcome you here with open arms and great big hugs.
Yes, we do.
And share this channel with your family and friends.
Sharing's
Because
caring.
sharing is
Caring, Mom. Sharing is definitely caring.
And thank you so much for hanging out with us today, where you got to eat virtually and Ian and I ate physically. But you too can do this yourself and go to the dollar quarter store,
Yeah.
Dollar Tree,
No,
and
dollar quarter store is I would call it now.
and and do this yourself. And you can tell us if you added meat to this, if you made it just like the way we did, or did something else.
I'd like to hear. I
We would
really
love to
want to.
hear.
I want to hear comments because
Ian's gonna answer them.
yeah, and not
He
only
hasn't
that.
answered them yet, but we're
Well,
gonna have to put him
but
in answering
put me in the
duty.
answers. And not only that, I would probably want to try it your way. If I think I would like it, I would do it your way. So
Hear
please,
that, guys? Please call him out.
Yeah.
Call him out and say, Ian, we want you to try this our way.
But-
We did X, Y, and Z. Call him out, please.
leave your name too. So when I try it, I'm gonna have to say, hey, it was good. Whatever
So
it
and
is.
so. Yeah,
There you
that's
go.
good because we're all about here family.
Definitely family.
And so we want you to be part of the Ma Chefin family because you guys are our chefin family at the end of the day.
Yep.
So we love you guys. We
Mhm.
thank you so much for hanging out with us today and spending your time with us. We do appreciate it. Love you guys. Bye.
Bye bye.